Experiencing a stuck Spotify app in your Tesla? You're not alone. This issue often stems from glitches between Tesla's Android-based system and Spotify, account authentication problems, or network hiccups. Software mismatches after Tesla updates can also cause this. We'll show you how to quickly get back to your favorite tunes. A simple restart often works wonders. Press and hold both steering wheel buttons until the touchscreen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. This resets the infotainment system without affecting driving functions. Once it reboots, try loading Spotify again. Sometimes your Spotify account link gets corrupted. Open the Tesla app on your phone. Navigate to Profile, Media, Spotify. Remove the account and then re-add it, ensuring you enter the correct credentials. This refreshes the connection. Navigate to Profile in the Tesla app. Then go to Media section. Find and select Spotify. Remove the account and re-add it with correct credentials. This refreshes the connection and should fix the loading issue. Though not always available as a direct option, some Tesla software versions allow you to clear the Spotify app's cache. Look for app management options within the infotainment settings. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be causing the loading issue. Spotify requires a stable internet connection to load and function properly in your Tesla. Ensure your Tesla is connected to Wi-Fi for the most reliable streaming experience. Alternatively, make sure you have a strong cellular signal available. Weak connectivity can cause the Spotify app to get stuck during loading. To verify your connection, try streaming other online content in your Tesla. If all other troubleshooting steps have failed, consider a factory reset as a last resort option. This will erase your personal settings, so back up important data first. To perform the factory reset, navigate to Controls on your touchscreen, then select Service, and finally choose Factory Reset. The factory reset will reinstall the Tesla software and can resolve deep-seated integration issues with Spotify. After the reset, you'll need to set up your Tesla as if it was brand new. Make sure your phone key is ready and connected to your Tesla account to regain access. Remember, factory reset should be your last resort option as it clears all personal settings. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact Tesla support. There might be a hardware or software issue beyond your ability to fix. Document the troubleshooting steps you've taken and any error messages displayed. Provide your Tesla's software version for faster assistance.